Welcome to your channel. I'm Derek. If you've ever dreamed of building a cash cow YouTube channel that earns you passive income without even showing your face or recording videos, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a game-changing strategy to create your own YouTube empire using nothing but AI. Yep, that's right. Artificial intelligence is going to do all the heavy lifting. From finding the perfect keywords, to crafting engaging scripts, to producing the actual videos. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or editing skills. Just a few clicks, and you'll have professional quality content ready to upload. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? I promise you, it's real. And today, I'll be showing you exactly how to do it step by step using two powerful AI tools. TubeMagic for optimizing your video ideas, and Pictory for bringing those ideas to life. By the end of this video, you'll be on your way to creating a YouTube channel that earns you money while you sleep. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Step 1. Niche research. With Questify is a multi-purpose tool that does keyword research in multiple ways, creates titles for YouTube, does niche research in multiple ways, including monetization. So let's go to Questify dashboard and create a niche campaign by selecting the niche digger. Now, let's create the campaign just by filling it up. We named it My Niche Research. As niche type, we select Generate a random niche list, and on limit we selected 200, but you can get 1,000 if you want. Then we click on Create. And in about a minute, we have a list of 300 niches to choose from. I'm going to choose the digital nomad lifestyle for the demonstration proposal, but if you are not satisfied, you can look for more options using the niche digger features and go deep until you find it. One great feature is Find Niche Products. It helps you find the affiliate programs available for your niche. Step 2. Keyword research with TubeMagic. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful YouTube video, and TubeMagic simplifies this process with its keyword research tool. To begin, navigate to this feature and input any topic or video idea. TubeMagic will instantly generate a list of high-traffic relevant keywords that viewers are actively searching for. This list includes not just the search terms, but also essential data such as search volume, competition level, and a unique magic score, helping you assess the potential of each keyword. The search volume tells you how many people are searching for a particular term, while the competition level indicates how challenging it will be to rank for that keyword. The magic score combines these factors to show you which keywords are both popular and easier to rank for, giving you a better chance to stand out in your niche. TubeMagic also allows you to explore and analyze top-performing keywords in various niches. This is especially helpful if you're looking to branch out into a new topic or expand your channel's reach. With this data, you can make informed decisions about the keywords you should target, ensuring your content aligns with audience demand. By using TubeMagic's keyword research tool, you'll position your videos to rank higher on YouTube, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately grow your channel. The right keywords not only boost your visibility, but also increase your chances of getting more views and subscribers. Here you have to do the keyword research for digital nomad lifestyle. I have several keywords for the video, and I will use digital nomad lifestyle as our target keyword. Step 3. Name your channel and creating the video title with TubeMagic. Now that we've completed our keyword research, it's time to generate high CTR video titles using TubeMagic. One unique feature of TubeMagic is its ability to generate 3 optimized title suggestions from an existing public or unlisted video that contains voices in any language. To use this tool, simply enter the URL of the video, and TubeMagic will suggest titles designed to boost your click-through rate CTR. If you're starting from scratch and don't have a video link yet, TubeMagic also allows you to input a video idea or keyword. It will then generate optimized titles that seamlessly integrate your main keywords, increasing the chances of your content being discovered by your target audience. Remember to keep your titles concise, under 60 characters, to ensure they display fully on search results. Make sure they spark curiosity and directly address your audience's questions or problems. By leveraging TubeMagic's title generation features, you can significantly improve your video's chances of getting more views and boosting your search rankings. Finally, don't hesitate to test different title variations over time to identify what resonates best with your audience. Let's get an excellent name for your channel based on the niche. We are going to use TubeMagic's new feature, and here we have 3 possible names. I'll choose WanderClick because I like it. Now let's create the title for our target keyword, Digital Nomad Lifestyle, in TubeMagic, so we go to the Video Titles feature. Then we click on Generate and you'll get 3 different options. If you don't like any of the titles, then click on Generate again and you'll get 3 new titles. I like the title, Living the Dream, Digital Nomad Life. Now, we'll take the title to TubeMagic Script Writer. To get our script, I'm going to keep it short, around 300 or 500 words maximum as it is for demonstration purposes. And here we have a full script in minutes. Now is a matter of copy it and paste it in Pictory's script to video feature. Step 4. Using TubeMagic Script Writer. With your video title ready, the next step is to create a script using TubeMagic's AI Script Writer. Start by selecting this feature, input your video title, and the tool will generate a complete, well-structured script based on your topic and keywords. Whether you're creating a standard video or something specific like a list or how-to video, TubeMagic provides a variety of script templates for different formats, including YouTube Shorts, list videos, and how-to videos. This flexibility ensures you can generate the perfect script for any type of content. The tool's AI-driven insights craft a script that's engaging, informative, and tailored to your audience, saving you time while maintaining quality. Step 5. Upload and optimize with TubeMagic. Once your script is ready, it's time to upload and optimize your video using TubeMagic's tools. Start by using the Warp Upload Optimizer to streamline the upload process, whether your video is unlisted or public. After uploading, TubeMagic helps you optimize your content with several powerful features. First, use the title generator again to ensure your title is keyword-rich and ready to attract views. Then, move on to the description generator, where you can either paste your video link or write some context, and TubeMagic will provide an optimized, keyword-rich description to enhance SEO and viewer engagement. Additionally, the tool generates timestamps and helps you optimize tags with its tag generator, ensuring your video is fully prepared for YouTube's algorithm. Finally, TubeMagic's Community Tab Writer can help you create community posts to further engage your audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Step 7. Customizing your video in Pictory. Now that you've pasted your script into Pictory, it's time to unleash your creativity and customize your video to make it truly stand out. Pictory's user-friendly interface allows you to enhance your video effortlessly. First, select visuals that align with your script. Pictory offers a rich library of stock footage and images, so you can choose clips that resonate with your audience. Next, adjust the on-screen text to emphasize key points from your script. This helps maintain viewer engagement and reinforces your message. You can also incorporate additional elements like icons, logos, and animations to give your video a polished look. Want to set the mood? Browse through Pictory's audio library to find the perfect background music that complements your content. If you prefer a personal touch, consider using AI-generated voiceovers for a professional sound. Once you've tailored your visuals, text, and audio, don't forget to preview your video. This allows you to ensure everything flows seamlessly before finalizing your creation. With Pictory, the possibilities for customization are endless, allowing you to create videos that truly reflect your brand and style. Step 8. Preview and download your video. Now that you've created your video in Pictory, it's time for one of the most crucial steps, previewing and downloading your finished product. First, click the preview button to watch your video in its entirety. This step is essential as it allows you to assess the flow, visuals, and overall impact. Look out for anything that seems off, whether it's the pacing of the visuals, the clarity of the text, or even the background audio. If something doesn't feel right, Pictory makes it easy to go back and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to download your video. Click on the download button to save your creation to your device. Pictory offers high-quality video options, ensuring your content looks professional and polished. After downloading, you can upload your video directly to YouTube or any other platform of your choice. Congratulations! You've successfully created a YouTube cash cow video using AI tools. This powerful combination of TubeMagic and Pictory empowers you to produce content that engages viewers and drives income. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the secret to creating a successful YouTube cash cow channel using AI tools like TubeMagic and Pictory. With just a few clicks, you can generate engaging content that attracts viewers and generates income without the hassle of filming yourself. If you found this video helpful and are excited to start your own YouTube journey, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insider tips and tricks on building your online presence and making money on YouTube. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you're eager to dive deeper, check out the link in the bio for our free training on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep creating and let your cash cow channel thrive.